Hello, my name is María del Valle Palma. I am the Vice President and Director of the Digital Documentation Observatory of Aedo Digital. Aedo Digital is a non-profit organization that was born with the idea of spreading the incorporation of new technologies to the management of information, documents and contents in Spanish companies and institutions, as the best way to reduce costs and to achieve the greatest increase in productivity. Aedo Digital helps companies and institutions to enter in the information society by promoting the gradual disappearance of paper in order to achieve full e-administration and e-business. Its target is the paperless office and archives. Our association offers different services to its company members. Firstly, we organize conferences and events to promote their products and services, facilitating the sharing of experiences, best practices and know-how between companies and users. In relation to training, Aedo Digital offers courses for professionals and staff in document content and records management, looking at the national and international standard and legislation affecting them in the areas of scanning, capture, workflow, business process management, email management, storage, archiving, digital preservation, web content management, and so on. Also, we conduct studies to learn the degree of knowledge and implementation of techniques and methodologies related to electronic records management, e-administration, e-government, e-business, electronic certification and signature, e-invoicing, and security management in Spanish institutions and companies. We are interested in being a member of CDM Europe because for our companies it's important to cross borders and expand to European markets. Also, the aim of Aedo Digital is to promote trade agreements between our companies and those affiliated with the Association of CDM Europe. Like in our country, Europe is moving from managing paper documents to digital. In this process plays a fundamental role the electronic invoicing. It will facilitate economic transactions between countries and thus the transfer of technical knowledge among suppliers. Aedo Digital shares with CDM Europe these goals and promotes the technical and commercial exchange between Spanish and European companies.